In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add automatic subtitles to video with Veed.io. Adding subtitles is one of the fastest ways to make your videos more accessible, easier to follow on mute, and friendlier to viewers who aren't native speakers. Veed.io makes this simple with a built-in auto subtitle tool. I'll walk you through it from inside an existing project so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening Veed.io and heading to your workspace. From there, go to your current project so the video loads in the editor. Give the page a moment to finish loading the timeline and preview window. If your video has multiple audio tracks, make sure the correct one is active so the transcription picks up the right voice. It also helps to wear headphones and quickly scrub the audio to confirm the speech is clear. The cleaner your audio, the better your subtitle accuracy will be. Once your project is open, look for the subtitles option in the editor's left-hand panel. Depending on your layout, it may appear within an AI or text-related section. Click Subtitles to open the subtitle tools for this project. You'll see options for creating subtitles from scratch or generating them automatically. We're going the automatic route to save time and reduce manual typing. Now choose Auto Subtitle and set the language to English. Double check that English matches the primary spoken language in your video. If part of your video includes another language, select the one that aligns with most of your content so the timing and word choices are as accurate as possible. Then, confirm to start the auto subtitle process. Veed.io will analyze your audio and begin transcribing. Don't close the tab while it works. Processing time depends on your video length and connection speed. When it's done, you'll see subtitle lines appear on the timeline and in the subtitle panel. Press play to preview. As the video runs, watch for names, technical terms, or brand-specific phrases that might need a quick correction. You can click directly into any subtitle block to fix spelling or punctuation and fine-tune the timing so each line appears and disappears at the right moment. Small adjustments here make a big difference in readability. That's all there is to it. Open your project, head to Subtitles, and use Auto Subtitle in English. With just a few clicks, your video becomes more engaging and accessible for every viewer. Try it on one of your videos now and enjoy the time you save.